Hello friends, I recently ran into such a problem. It means that the car does not start well. There are failure at idle. And when the car is moving, it does not gain momentum. It even stalls on the move. It means that they replaces the candle, wires, look at coils for cracks, but everything is in order. But the car still drove badly. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Now I will replace this insulator and check what happens. Friends, after I replaced the insulator, the car began to work perfectly. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.